Okay. Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing a bit of a director's commentary here on the video Widns Howling. This one right here. Now, you should be able to hear it, I think. Yeah. So, no. We're gonna need to slow this one down a little bit. That's good, I think. So, the black screen at the beginning, that was almost unintentional because, like when I'm video editing, I wasn't really paying attention, and I left a little bit of black at the beginning, that's why that's there. So this is just him sped up talking. I didn't edit, I just sped that up. That's not like anything weird. He was just reading, for a different video that I re-recorded. This is from when he peered into the camera. That was the reason I did this. It was really funny. Like really funny. Yeah, and the wind noise here, I got this off of YouTube. I'll put a link in the description. Yeah, and this is him looking at the camera. Yeah, I don't know why he did that actually. That was really weird. Yeah, this is just more like still footage of him sitting there. This part I knew immediately that I had to like put this in. It was really fun. I didn't notice he did this. I had no idea he was doing this. I'm gonna go grab a snack real quick. I'll be right back. Sorry. I remember we had some. Never mind. I didn't notice he did this. This is the only part with actual audio in it. I was laughing because I thought it was funny that he did that. You might recognize this from the other video. That's like right here. This one. See that? Same frame. This is silent. I thought it was a good artistic choice. Kind of. Jesus fucking Christ! I don't. What do I do?